As the helicopter lifts off, it looks like the blades are stiff, solid metal locked in place. But as it climbs higher, something strange is happening. You see, helicopter blades are designed to bend, twist, and flex while spinning at hundreds of miles per hour as the blade moves faster on one side and slower on the other. It actually changes its shape to balance the forces without this flex. The stress would snap the blade clean off mid-air. Engineers build them like giant flying springs, strong enough to hold the aircraft but flexible enough to survive the forces trying to tear it apart. And that's Sips why a helicopter blade isn't set rigid. It Sips constantly reshaping itself just to keep you in the air.